welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, my boyfriend Marcus Isaac is going to be doing my makeup. We had done this once before, however I kind of guided him through it, so I didn't do it the correct way. So for today, I've just literally laid everything out just as you can see, like this, just right here. He's completely lost, which is a good thing, so we're gonna let him just do his thing and see what happens.
There's a whole lot here.
So if you'd like to see what happens, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching.
You're gonna get me a sponge. I think I need a sponge. Bring me the one that we do dishes.
Oh my god.
Okay. I think this is foundation. Lancome. Oh, thank you.
So we got the beauty sponge ready to go.
Ready? Alright, never mind.
There you get a fresh one.
I'll take this one right here. Alright, I think foundation is needed for any construct. Alright, so right now we're constructing the foundation on her face. Alright. Gotta get all this out of here. Because you want to get rid of the "it's been a long day" look.
It's been a very long day.
A very long day. Alright. So this foundation looks like it kind of blends too. Like it's blending in with your skin color.
Well, hopefully it matches my skin tone.
I hope so. I hope you got the right ones. Even though there's a lot of them on here. Alright. Okay. Looking good. After I'm done here, we're going out. Alright.
Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to Sephora. Straight there. You'll be my resume, so I'm gonna go for a job.
Gotta love a man that takes you to Sephora.
Leave my credit cards home though.
Yeah.
Take you there. Leave the credit cards home, guys. Don't let them fool you.
You gotta feed him first. You feed him and then he takes you to Sephora. What do you guys think of how do I look so far?
She looks great. Alright. This concealer, I think. Urban Decay. Perversion. Yeah, this one sounds pretty good. What's this? Oh, no, hell no. This is mascara, right?
Did you show everyone what you were trying to put on?
Oh, sorry. Urban Decay.
He thought that was concealer, guys. That would have been would look like a raccoon. It's not. We're not going for Halloween makeup. We're going for night in the town type of look.
Get out of town. It says contour concealer. This is it. This is what I was looking for. I think you just put one concealer here out of everything that's on the table. That's not fair. Alright. Holy crap. How do you put this on? Alright. I believe this goes on the eyes, so close your eyes. Okay, good luck. Alright, here we go.
But like, to me or you?
Both. Holy moly. Don't cry. Alright. Do I need another blender or something? I could do it the same way. Huh?
So whatever you want.
I only have one blender. Alright, she only gave me one blender, so I'm using the same blender. Alright, so Tarte. Alright, here we go. I wonder where they got that name from. Tarte. Ha! This looks good. I like this. Oops. Going a little bit above your eye.
It feels like I got in my eye.
Yeah, you feel that?
That's okay.
Yeah?
It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let me know, we'll call 911. The eye starts turning red.
I want to report an emergency. My boyfriend was concealing my eye.
Dodge and burn. Dodge under the eyes right now a little bit, a little color contour.
So Marcus, for some of you that don't know, he is a photographer. So definitely check out his work. And because of that, he should know where highlights and shadows go.
Yeah.
Right?
something.
So we'll see what it look like in the end.
Yeah, you're gonna want to go out at this. Out to sleep. Out like a light. Alright. Holy crap. I think this is the part where you always say, tap it. Is that supposed to happen? It's like fairy dust. Alright. So I'm thinking about if I put mascara on first, then it might get all over the eyelids and all.
Smart thinking.
Right? Does that make sense?
Yes.
I'm thinking about, I don't know, what makes sense. Alright, let's see here. So I need eyeshadow. What's your eyeshadow?
I can't help you.
Alright, these are brushes.
Trying to cheat, guys. He knows what brushes are.
Anti-aging hydrating serum. I need that. Alright, this is where it's gonna get tricky for me. I don't know what to do. Alright, let's take my time though.
Tricky for him and scary for me. Alright, so I'm just close my eyes this whole time so I don't see any colors you're choosing.
Okay. Alright, so you can't see the colors?
Yeah. I don't want to see what you're choosing. So.
Oh no, I see. Oh, this is pretty.
Okay, pretty sounds good.
I like this color. Which one did I use? It's pretty though.
Yeah. I feel a lot of fallout.
Am I supposed to tap somewhere? Oh damn. This thing made a mess.
The thing or you?
I'm gonna have to come back to this later.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, it's getting worse. This thing is...
What is he doing?
That right there does not belong there. Holy, look at the other side. Oh my god. How do you fix that?
Oh gosh, I'm scared.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay, let me tap. Oh man, I was doing good.
That damn blender.
Alright, I guess you have like wipies or something?
Yeah, there's wipes there.
Oops. Poke your eye. Okay. One side looks worse than the other. Not better. One side looks worse than the other. This thing doesn't work.
It's not getting better, Dave?
Better? It's doing a better job than the blender. It's blending the blue in.
Maybe we should have done like a Halloween look.
Oh man, I want to need like 10 of these.
Good thing I have a whole pack.
What the hell? It's not cleaning it off your face, it's blending it in.
What is he doing?
You know what? I'm gonna switch this up.
I don't know if you can take me out tonight, dude. It sounds like you're not doing a great job.
I think I want to go at Henny style. I'm going at Henny's. It's the Glam Master himself. I'm gonna go for sugar cookie.
Sugar cookie.
Alright. It's kind of like that. See the cup?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a grape. Smoking. It's like smoke went up. Should have tapped the water though. Yeah. Should have tapped the water, it was better. Like smoke is going up.
What do you guys think?
I think you're ready for Cirque du Soleil.
He always gets me ready for circuses somehow. I think he's trying to tell me something.
Looks like a circus act on your face. Yeah, don't look. Oh, you can't look. No. You just gotta fix everything. Back to the cheeks. Alright, let's get this. And there was blue on here before, but I'm gonna trust that the foundation is gonna get rid of it. Let's see. Oh, horrible. You know, you suck with me. I only have one blender.
You want another blender?
Another blender? Hell yeah.
Okay.
That's not fair.
Is that what it's-
There's blue and beige and pink. Had I not known I was doing this makeup, I would have got scared if you walking at me.
Oh my gosh, I look bad, guys. Help me out.
I just need some black to go with this blue. Put a peacock in her eye. That ain't right around her eye. Peacock.
By the way, I was thinking that I could do your makeup. Or why not? What do you guys think? If you guys think that I should do his makeup, be sure to thumbs up the video and comment down below. Let me know if I should do a certain look. I think you could use
Got the whole mustache and goatee. It's not gonna look good.
What? I'll make it work.
Look up.
Okay. Let me know.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna go right here. Naturally. I don't know. It doesn't feel like right to do your right with my right. I'm gonna do your right with my left. There's a little blue that snuck in down there. I don't know how it got there.
Yeah, no, I got there.
A little blue. It got all
I
the
think if
way
we rewind the tape, we'll know how it got
below
there.
your nose. Maybe I missed it when I was reblending.
Probably.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's smash it together. Smash that like button. Bye. Okay. Let's see here. I'm thinking. I know. Better than the
I'm
last
kind of
time.
at a loss for words. I think it's better than last time. I think last time the liner really, I think that's why I didn't do liner, because last time the liner really freaked you out. The blue's very blue.
Yeah, I told you.
No, it's good. I mean, the highlight here is probably high, but you did good. You didn't go so harsh on the eyebrows.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good night. I think it's better than last time. Thank you.
Yeah, it just looked like I have really dark bags
I know.
under my eyes.
I told you, it was scary.
It's good. It looks pretty good.
Did I
Just
write
missed the
that?
part here.
Where? Your right side?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, I see it. That's because your lighting is bad in here.
You set up the lighting for me, so
Hey, I didn't set up the intensity.
well, you did pretty good.
Yeah,
I think you did a good job.
Thank you.
You have really progressed. You've done a lot better.
Yeah, but doing it once a year, I'm doing alright.
Yeah. Next year you'll be even better.
Hopefully not.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial by Marcus Isaac himself. Do check him out though, he is an amazing photographer. I'll put some of his work right here.
Thank you.
You're still so welcome. I think he did a great job, and if you guys would like us to do some other challenge, or if you want to see me do his makeup, please like.
Don't like that.
Yeah, give a big
Don't
thumbs
like
up
that.
down below.
That's not fun.
And comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this look, and if you'd like to see more videos like this. I think it was super fun. Thank you so much for doing this. I
Thank you
appreciate
too.
it.
You're very welcome. Looking forward to the third one next year, 2019.
So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up. It'll really help support my channel. And until next time, remember to create a life that you love. Bye.
Bye.
Take a pic.